Make this creamy cilantro dressing from our pure weight loss registered dietitian, Mamta. Stay tuned to the end of this video for a special taste test. This recipe uses only 3 simple ingredients: Greek yogurt, cilantro chutney, and lemon juice. Did you know that cilantro is also known as coriander? The cilantro or coriander chutney for this recipe is from AKI Fine Foods. It's made in Ontario and can be found in the ethnic aisle. I picked up this jar from the ethnic aisle at Superstore. It's made from just a few simple ingredients: cilantro or coriander, green chilies, vinegar, salt, and spices. It's really refreshing and flavorful. It has a kick to it, so if you can't eat too spicy, maybe add less than 2 tablespoons of the cilantro chutney for this recipe. You can also make your own cilantro chutney. Check it out in the blog, link in description. This refreshing dressing is great for salads, kebabs, or on tacos. A quarter cup of dressing is only 50 calories and has 5.4 grams of protein. I used this dressing on shrimp tacos and salads and they were delicious. Hey Dad, you wanna try the taco with the creamy cilantro dressing from Mamta?
Alright, let's try it.
Shrimp taco.
Very good. Yeah, the dressing is nice and fresh. It's good.
Awesome. Mamta's recipe only uses 3 ingredients.
Only 3?
Yeah.
Oh, so easy.
Yeah. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes for healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.